Hello and welcome. Friends, health is the soul that animates all the enjoyments of life which are colorless and are tasteless without it. Today we are going to talk about one of the best healthcare corporations in the world which has over the years earned its reputes through its excellent performance.
Pfizer is the world's largest research-based pharmaceutical firm. Its best-known products include erectile dysfunction therapy, Viagra, pain management drug Celebrex, high blood pressure therapy Norvasc, and cholesterol-lowering Lipitor. Pfizer also produces animal health products, including Revolution, which is an anti-parasitic. The company markets its pharmaceuticals directly to healthcare providers and patients. Most of its sales are conducted through wholesalers, including McKesson and Cardinal Health. Pfizer acquired pharmaceutical rival Wyeth in a $68 billion deal in 2009.
Pfizer Incorporated is an American multinational corporation headquartered in New York City and with its research headquarters in Connecticut, United States. It is the world's largest pharmaceutical company by revenues. Pfizer was founded by cousins Charles P. Pfizer and Charles Earhart in New York City in 1849 as a manufacturer of fine chemicals. The Pfizer logo is the primary visual symbol of the corporation and hence of its corporate identity program. Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson have scrapped further studies of their experimental Alzheimer's drug bapineuzumab. After one trial, it failed in its second clinical trial. The drug failed to improve cognitive or functional performance in the patients compared with those who received a placebo. Bapineuzumab had already failed in a previous study, although failure in the most recent trial has triggered the scrapping as the drug was considered to be the far more likely to succeed in the second trial given its parameters. The first trial, which Pfizer announced as a failure on 23 July 2012, included patients with the ApoE4 gene variation, and data gathered from previous trial results resulted in that study being considered as a long shot. The second trial involved those without the ApoE4 gene, previously thought to stand a far better chance of success. The three areas of strategic focus, climate change mitigation, product stewardship, and access to clean water, which form the basis of environmental sustainability roadmap. Behind every Pfizer product and program lies an idea that was given the freedom to flourish and team that challenge conventional ways of thinking to develop something truly innovative. The success of organization relies on kind of creative thinking that can only result from a diverse team of individuals, uninhibited to share, create, and inspire each other towards the next great idea. The organization believed that collective individual experiences allow us to better meet the needs of patients and further work to make the world a healthier place. Pfizer celebrates the array of unique qualities, perspectives, and life experiences which define us as individuals. This includes visible differences such as gender, age, ethnicity, physical appearance, as well as other characteristics including work styles, sexual orientation, religious or national identity, and education. These traits create a vibrant community and a supportive culture that allows people, regardless of where they work in the world, to feel valued, involved, supported, and respected. Sanofi, Novartis AG, and Merck & Company Incorporated are the major competitors of Pfizer Company. The major products of Pfizer are Acupril, Accuredic, Aldactazide, Aricept, and Azulfidine.
Pfizer agreed to acquire King Pharmaceuticals, a diversified specialty pharmaceutical discovery and clinical development company, for $3.6 billion in cash, or $14.25 per share. The price tag represents a premium of approximately 40% to King's closing price as of October 11, 2010, and 46% to the one-month average closing price as of the same date. The transaction has already been approved by the boards of both companies. The deal is expected to be accretive to Pfizer's adjusted diluted EPS by about 2 cents annually annually in 2011 and 2012, and approximately 3 cents to 4 cents annually from 2013 through 2015. Jeffrey Kindler, Pfizer's chairman and chief executive officer, stated, "We are highly impressed with King's innovative products and technology in the pain relief disease area, as well as by its success in advancing promising compounds in its pipeline. The combination of our respective portfolios in this area of unmet medical need is highly complementary and will allow us to offer a fuller spectrum of treatments for patients around the globe who are in need of pain relief and management." In addition, the revenue generated by King's portfolio will further diversify Pfizer's business, while at the same time contributing to steady earnings growth and shareholder value.
Pfizer's revenues increased by 1% in 2011 to $67.4 billion, compared to $67.1 billion in 2012, due to the favorable impact of foreign exchange, which increased revenues approximately to $1.9 billion. Or increased by 3%, and the inclusion of revenues of $1.3 billion, or by 2% from acquisition of King, partially offset by a net operational decline of $2.9 billion, or up by 4%, primarily due to the loss of certain products. Pfizer Incorporated applies science and global resources to improve health and well-being at every stage of life. Pfizer's high-performance computing software and systems for worldwide research and development supports large-scale data analysis, research projects, clinical analytics, and modeling. Pfizer's HPC services are used across the spectrum of WRD efforts, from the deep biological understanding of disease to the design of safe, efficacious therapeutic agents. For Pfizer, AWS is a fit-for-purpose solution for which Dr. Miller explains it is not a replacement but rather an addition to a capability for HPC WRD activities, providing a unique augmentation to computing capabilities. Looking ahead, Pfizer is interested in exploring Amazon's simple storage services for storing reference data to expand the type of computational problems they can address. So friends, to keep our body in a good health is our duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to trim the lamp of wisdom and keep our mind strong and clear. Goodbye and have a successful future.